What I found was when we were doing these one or two large events, it was so hard to connect with our past clients that I didn't get to talk to everybody. Even having the team there, trying to divide and conquer, it just became less personal to me when I like to talk to each person. So what we did is we made zip code specific events to where one, we're a connector. So everybody that lives in that zip code wants to know more people that live in that zip code. But also it gave me the ability to have a much smaller scale that I got to have one-on-one conversations with those past clients. And we just saw the return on investment come back tenfold because we got multiple referrals. We've got a whole bunch of opportunities that they wanted to invest, where our large events, it was hard to actually dial that in. And so we did that. We just rinse and repeat. That's where the huge impact showed on ours, because ours past client and referral, and what we're seeing is paid leads is falling flat. So we wanted to spend more money on our database, and that's what we're doing.